Hello dear. Before we jump into Python list, first we discuss the different data types. On the numbers side, there's the float, to represent a real number, and the int, to represent an integer. Next, we also have str, short for string, to represent text in Python, and boolean, which can be either true or false. You can save these values as a variable, like these examples show. Each variable then represents a single value. As a data scientist,
you'll often want to work with many data points. If you, for example, want to measure the weight of sister, brother, and your mother in your family, and store this information in Python, it would be inconvenient to create a new Python variable for each point you collected, right? What you can do instead is store all this information in a Python list. You can build such a list with square brackets. Suppose you asked your one sister and brother and parents for their weight, in kg. You can build the list as follows. Of course, also this data structure can be referenced to with a variable. Simply put the variable name and the equals sign in front, like here. A list is a way to give a single name to a collection of values. These values, or elements, can have any type. They can be floats, integer, booleans, strings, but also more advanced Python types, even lists. It's perfectly possible for a list to contain different types as well. Lists can also contain lists themselves. Instead of putting the strings in between the numbers, you can create little sublists for each member of the family containing string and integer value. We can also check the type of list using type function. The type of list is list. Our next video will be about subsetting the lists. So stay connected and follow our channel for upcoming videos. Thanks.